The sun is at the center of our solar system. The sun is not just a bright object in the sky. It is the engine of life and the force that shapes our world. Its warmth, energy, and influence make Earth the perfect place for life. Understanding the sun helps us appreciate not only our place in the solar system, but also the importance of protecting our planet. Though it seems eternal, the sun has a lifespan. It is about 4.6 billion years old and is currently in its main sequence phase, where it steadily burns hydrogen. But in another 5 billion years, it will expand into a red giant, swallowing Mercury and Venus and possibly even Earth. Eventually, it will shed its outer layers and shrink into a white dwarf, a small, dense remnant that will slowly fade away over trillions of years. Several layers, each playing a crucial role. At the core, temperatures reach a staggering 15 million degrees Celsius, where nuclear fusion occurs. This process converts hydrogen into helium, releasing enormous amounts of energy. The energy then travels through the radiative zone and the convective zone before reaching the photosphere, the surface of the sun that we see. Beyond that is the corona, the sun's outer atmosphere, which extends millions of kilometers into space and is strangely hotter than the surface itself. NASA's Parker Solar Probe, launched in 2018, is the fastest human-made object, traveling over 430,000 miles per hour to study the sun's outer atmosphere corona. It gets as close as 4 million miles to the sun, helping scientists understand solar wind. Parker's Solar Probe has captured stunning images of the sun's outer atmosphere corona, solar wind, and plasma structures. It has provided the first close-up views of solar streamers, magnetic switchbacks, and the sun's dynamic activity, helping scientists understand space weather. NASA's Parker Solar Probe has captured groundbreaking images of the sun's outer atmosphere, or corona, using its wide-field imager for Parker's Solar Probe WISPR. These images have provided unprecedented views of solar phenomena such as coronal streamers and magnetic switchbacks, enhancing our understanding of solar wind and space weather. These visual data are crucial for advancing our knowledge of solar dynamics and the interactions between the sun and planetary bodies. A solar eclipse happens when the moon moves between the Earth and the sun, blocking some or all of the sun's light. It can be total, where the moon completely covers the sun, revealing the solar corona. Partial, where only part of the sun is obscured. Or annular, where the moon appears smaller and leaves a bright ring around the sun, known as the Ring of Fire. Solar eclipses only occur during a new moon and are visible from specific locations on Earth. The sun is a massive sphere of hot plasma, primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. It sits at the center of our solar system, providing light, heat, and energy that drive weather patterns, ocean currents, and even the food chain. Without the sun, Earth would be a frozen, lifeless rock drifting in space. Some exciting images of sun. The sun is truly a gift from God to us. It provides light, warmth, and energy, making life possible on Earth. Without it, there would be no plants, no animals, and no humans. It controls the weather, the seasons, and even time itself. The sun's energy powers everything from the food we eat to the air we breathe. It is a perfect creation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our effort.